Welcome to day 2 of the van build where I am playing hygienist. No, just kidding. I'm using this magnet to attract the metal pieces that come off of the van as a result of drilling holes in the van. Don't want any metal to be dropped in the van or it could start rust. Next step is repainting those holes so that we don't have any exposed metal showing. Rib nuts are threaded inserts that will allow me to put framing on the van walls and have everything stay nice and sturdy. Here I am trimming my 3/4 inch plywood for the framing pieces in the van. This is the really tricky part. You have to line up the holes that are in the van with the board that is going to be used for framing. The first technique I tried was to use a hammer to transfer the rib nut shape onto the board. This didn't really work so well. Someone on YouTube recommended using Play-Doh. This technique worked amazing. Here I am drilling those holes in the board so that the bolts can go through the board into the van. And then I am using a special drill bit that is going to allow me to countersink that nut. This part of the process was really stressful because nothing was lining up. Later, I realized that the rib nuts could be adjusted by hitting them with a hammer, making them perfectly straight, and everything lined up great. For anyone who was wondering what those little pockets are meant for in your jean shorts, they're for bolts. I'm using marine grade adhesive that's also really flexible before I put the framing on, just to ensure that everything is down really tight, and also using Loctite on those bolts. Couldn't help but dance here because this was a huge project finally finished.